Hello everyone, welcome to the session. Adding in app sessions and giveaway prizes include Amazon vouchers and ebooks. The giveaways are generally sponsored by LNAI, Fueler, and Rosenfield Media. There is a special giveaway by LNAI of a 750 INR Amazon gift card from the LNAI team. Please follow the procedure. Step 1. Sign up and create a project on the LNAI platform. From here, I'm sharing the link with you in the comment section. Just a second. Step 2 is to fill out the form with the email that you have signed it on the above link. The link of the same has been shared here in the comment section. Stay tuned till the end of the session and fill out the feedback form to enter the giveaway. The stage is all yours, Divyansh sir.
Okay. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay, perfect. Thank you everyone for joining in. So let me share my screen first to start the session. So give me a moment. Okay, my screen is visible now. Uh, just one second. Okay. I hope my screen is visible now. So I'll just start with the session actually. So thank you everyone firstly for joining us today in today's session. So today's session is all about adding in-app voice assistant to your mobile application, mobile or web application. So I'm Divyansh. I manage developer programs here at Allen.app, and you can reach out to me anytime at Divyansh@Allen.app, or you can connect me with on Twitter or LinkedIn. Um, my username is at the rate as Divyansh everywhere. So firstly, yes, thanks again for joining and participating in the Defication Hackathon. And in this session, we'll talk about Allen AI and give you just an overview of the platform and some guidelines for the hackathon. So I'll start with about Allen AI. So who we are and what we do. So the Allen platform allows developers to create intelligent assistant like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple Siri, but for a specific application. So you can create in-app voice assistant for any mobile or web application with just few lines of code using Allen AI SDK, and make your application more user friendly and accessible by adding voice UX to existing UI. So the Allen platform is very advanced system that includes voice processing, speech recognition, natural language processing, and much more. So I'll start with voice UX as the next paradigm. So if we look 30 years back when we just got in a human being, just got introduced to machines, then that time everyone, the people who knew code is like interacting with machines because it was completely based on command line in 1990s and 2000, the era of graphic UI, graphic user interface and browser came in, and people started interacting with the machines and computer via visuals and via keyboard and touch. So what happened is like back in 1980s, the computer devices are not much accessible. It's people who knew how to code and are from programming background know how to interact with the command line. But after that, when it came for GUI and browser, computer became accessible to everyone. Anyone can use the computer and mobile and computer and everything with GUI. And the same thing happened in 2000 between 2000 to 2010 when we got introduced to mobile application where we started interacting with mobile with our hand and touch. In 2007, Apple launched their iPhone, where it changed the way we interacting with the mobiles and mobile application. And if you see in last 5 to 7 years, what is happening is like companies like Amazon, Google, and Walmart, investing really huge, investing heavily in building voice experience for their existing applications, and supporting introducing voice to their ecosystem. So this shows like we are slightly moving to the era of voice, where in future you'll be interacting with your application with touch as well as voice. And yeah, but yes, that being said, like I told you, companies like Google Assistant, Google and Amazon, while investing huge resources and everything to their assistant, but there are certain cons and limitations in all the existing voice assistant we have. And uh, in this slide, we'll talk about on-device voice assistant versus in-app voice assistant. So when I say on-device voice assistant, it divides into two parts. That is like basically device level, and another one is OS and mobile level platform. So when I say like on-device voice assistant, think of it as like Amazon Alexa. You cannot interact with Amazon Alexa device with visual as well as voice. It is like completely voice specific. You have to interact with that device with just your voice and nothing else, right? And you cannot see or do any visual thing any there, and it's like very limited to their own Amazon Alexa ecosystem. That's all. And when I talk about OS, and when we see OS in mobile platform level assistant, what is happening is you can interact with smart assistant with, but with just OS level. You can ask to set a alarm, book a calendar, or open particular application. You cannot perform any existing operation inside that application, right? But with in-app voice assistant, you can actually use all the features and interact with your mobile with touch as well as the voice. So imagine ordering food from Zomato. You can use, open the Zomato app and use your voice command to browse and navigate through your favorite food, and make ordering your favorite food. So this is like the overview of on-device voice assistant versus in-app voice assistant. And as I said, like there's need of adding voice assistant into all the existing application, but it's like it takes lots and lots of resources from engineering team, and so much planning and resources to build voice experience for any app, inside any application. But with Allen SDK, you can do all those things with just few lines of code, and you do not need to worry about anything from technical and resources side of things. I'll share more about the Allen SDK in coming slides. But yeah, so this is like the overview of on-device voice assistant versus in-app voice assistant. So when I say you can add voice assistant to any existing or mobile or web application, I means like Allen AI has a huge support for different available frameworks, including if you're building for web, you have like React, Angular, Ionic, Ember, and JavaScript and much more. And when you're building for a mobile application, you have Android, iOS, Flutter, React Native, and you can integrate Allen SDK literally to any of the framework available here. So this was like the things we support, and I'll pause my screen for a while, and I'll show you how it looks like when you integrate a voice assistant into any food delivery application. So just give me a moment. I'm sharing my screen. Okay. Mm, perfect.
Allen enables mobile applications and websites to have direct, human-like conversations with their users.
Hey Kelsey, welcome back to CC.
I just started my screen. I hope it's visible and audible to you all. So just continuing it here.
These burgers, would you like to try our new crispy chicken sandwich?
No thanks, not really in the mood for chicken.
Sounds good. What are you craving?
Hmm. What do I usually order?
Your most frequent order is the number 2 California burger combo with fries and a medium Coke. Would you like to add this to your order?
Yep. Just want to make sure that it also has gluten for the cheese, no onions and mayo, and the bun is gluten free. My stomach's very picky.
No worries, Kelsey. I have that customization saved in this order from before. Would you like anything else? Take care.
Oh, great. I think I'm good. Oh, actually, can I have Sprite instead?
No problem, replaced your Coke with a Sprite. Anything else?
Nope.
How'd you like to get your food? In store, curbside, or delivered?
I'm ready to pick it up in store right now.
The closest CC's Burger to you is at 1300 Market Street in San Jose, about 2 miles away. Do you want to pick it up there or at another location?
I'm pretty hungry, so go with that and let's check out.
Your total is $11.76 and will be ready for pickup at 1300 Market Street at 4:16 p.m. Are you ready to pay?
Yep, you can use the card saved here.
Your order has been confirmed. See you soon.
With the Allen platform, you can add a voice experience to your application in a matter of days.
These burgers, would you like to?
Yeah, so just give me a moment. Perfect. So whatever you saw in the previous video is like a voice experience of any food delivery application. So you can think of it as like ordering something on Swiggy or Zomato, and you have Alan or their own button inside where you can interact with whole application with your voice, and you can order your favorite food just with voice. So just to let you know, the Allen button is completely customizable. You can customize it to accordingly to your brand's persona, and it's like very easy to integrate. So Allen platform is like complete solution for the developers. We are like very developer first platform, so you can build, debug, integrate, and analyze the whole experience of whatever you are building, whatever voice experience you are adding to your application. You can build here, you can debug here, you can integrate, and later on analyze that, like how your users are interacting with that particular application. So, and why I'm saying that the Allen platform is breakthrough technology. So I have like 5 points here, which just to start with. The first thing is ease of development. When I told us like adding voice experience is like takes lots of engineering resources, but with the Allen SDK, you can deploy voice UX in days with the developer friendly platform. And if you're familiar with JavaScript, you can easily write scripts for your voice experience in the Allen platform, and it'll be ready to integrate in your application. Second point is the cross-platform and framework agnostic. The Allen platform is supports so many frameworks and platforms. Like you can build, integrate voice into any iOS application, Android application. You can integrate into React, Flutter. We have support for frameworks like React, React Native, Flutter, Ionic, Angular, Vue, and much more. And third point is accuracy. When we talk about voice experience, accuracy is super important thing, because if you're going to just imagine you're ordering biryani on Swiggy and via voice command, and the voice assistant is understanding it something else. So your voice experience will be broken, and you're never going to use that voice feature again. So that's why when you're building any voice experience, accuracy is like very important. And at Allen, our assistant is super accurate, and it can understand and do things accurately as compared to any other voice assistant as for now. We have also patented the contextual language understanding technology. So this is just to understand the whatever conversation going on. Like just in previous video you saw that girl ordered Sprite first, and then later it changed to Coke. So to make the conversation more contextual, we have this technology which we patented. And the speed of implementation and iteration. So when you're building a voice experience, you do not need to touch anything inside your, the code base of your existing mobile application. You just need to write all the scripts in the Allen platform. And what will happen is like, once you write all the script there, you just have to integrate it into your, existing mobile application. You do not need to touch anything. So when you do this, the speed of iteration and making updates get increased by exponential, because you do not need to touch the production of your existing mobile or web application. You just need to add, make changes in the Allen platform. And I'll show you the overview of the platform, later to this slide, and we'll show you how easy it is to make changes. And final thing is no training data, no surprises. You do not need to worry about all the training data when you building any voice experience, because if you uh, we use text data for intent name entities, and reduce your time for, like, let's say you do not need to worry about any of like the training data or sets for particularly building your experience. We already take care of that for you. Here, I'll share some getting started resources. You can get started by exploring our docs at allen.app/docs. You can join our Slack community for the, if you need any support from our side, you can just go to bit.ly/allen.slash. We also have a free, 1 hour course on Udemy about Allen AI. This is like completely free course, and I'll be sharing all the details which I'm talking in this session in the newsletter, which you'll be getting in a couple of days, about the Allen platform. And in the meantime, if you have like any question, you can reach out to me on Slack or email me or connect me with on LinkedIn. So now I'll just show you the overview of the platform. So I'm sharing my screen again, and I hope my screen is visible. So this is like the Allen platform. You can visit it to allen.app and see what are the other things which we offer. So I start with signing in the platform, and yeah, so I think I've already signed up actually. So I'll just sign out and sign up again with Google. Yeah. So what is just wait. Okay. So this is the just example project which I created. So I'll just delete one of the project. And when I say creating project in Allen, it means like you are just, we already have so many templates to get started with. And here I'm starting with the Hello World simple template. So this is the whole script, Allen platform script dashboard where you write the script. Like intent is like intention. If you're familiar with Amazon Alexa SDKs, we are much more advanced than all the existing SDKs, and literally this is our Allen platform. So I'll tell you here, and if you're familiar with JavaScript, you can understand all these things. So here is the intent function. There's hello world and what is happening here. So intent is kind of intention. So let's say if you want to order a coffee, there are tons and tons of ways to order coffee, like, hey, please get me the coffee, and I want coffee. There are thousands and thousands of ways to say the same word, same sentence. But with Allen, you do not need to worry about all these complications. So for example, I'm just sharing here, hello, Divyansh. Hello, ma'am. It'll be simple. So I'll just show you, like, I just made a small change in the script here, and I'm not going through complete deep dive into the whole platform basics, because I want you to go through our Udemy course or go through our documentation first to have a look at the platform, and then come. So here, like, when I say hello, ma'am, yeah, so let's like just respond that with hi there, or let's say change hello human. So hello human. Yeah. See, I just made a change, and what is happening. So I'm saying is you need to write scripts here, and you can integrate it with all the, you know, frameworks I've shown here, like JavaScript, React, and just need to copy these things to your existing application. Allen platform is like completely free for use case developer use case, and I and if you have like any question, feel free to drop in comment. I'll answer them after this after the session. And let's talk about the hackathon task overview. For this hackathon, you just need to add voice assistant to any uh, add a voice assistant using the Allen platform to any web or mobile application, right? So there's not any specific voice stack in this hackathon. So whatever you are building in the hackathon, and if you feel like adding voice can improve user experience or make application more accessible, go ahead and feel free to add the Allen voice to it. We have like hackathon price of 6,000 INR Amazon gift card. So we just have three guidelines to follow for the hackathon. I'll share that guidelines with you over email. And let's say you integrated Allen Voice into any of the track you're participating in. We'll evaluate the project, and if you see the use case is good and the Allen integration is working properly, we'll reward any best project with 6,000 INR Amazon gift card. And we are also running multiple giveaways during the session, so which you are already aware about. So there's one giveaway for today. You can go ahead and participate in it. We are also running Allen AI Technical Writers Program. So what we are become a contributor to Allen AI Writers community and get your article reaching out to 36,000 plus developers worldwide. So what is happening? What happened in this program is we ask you to share your expertise and write something about Allen AI on your blog. We do not ask for ownership of that particular content, and we pay for the work you do for the community. We offer between $50 to 200 for depending on the type and quality of each article you write for us. So if you are interested, you can reach out to me anytime, or I'll share the link to the joining this program in the newsletter itself. So this is about the Allen AI Technical Writers Program. Thank you. Like if you have any question, drop them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer. Perfect. So I'm just seeing at the comment here section here. Okay. If you have like any question, feel free to answer, and you can also connect me with on LinkedIn. So it would be great. Feel free to, and also we love to sponsor, new hackathons and, community events. So if you have anything like that, just feel free to DM me. And that's all I have actually. Like, if you have any question, put them into the comment section. Okay, so Udemy course. Let me send you the link to that Udemy course right away. So it's a completely free course, and you can complete it within an hour. I just pasted the link in the private chat, and I expect organizers to send it in the comment section. Yeah.
Yes, I'm pasting it.
Okay, perfect. Okay, date for this hackathon. I think it's 11 to 12th of hackathon, 11 to 12th of March, I guess. Okay, perfect. I'll just wait for a minute. If you have any question, drop them into the comment section. What features would you add to make voice assistant better? So what is happening here is, with Alan, you can add voice to any of existing mobile or web application. Let's say you are working on any web application or mobile application, you can add voice to it by, integrating the Alan, um, integrating the Alan platform in it, so it's not a, you can make voice experience better by, adding nice words and making it more interactive by, utilizing methods in the Allen and some good conversation design practices. Okay. And that's all I have right now. Feel free to reach out to me anytime if you have any queries. And thank you. Okay, perfect. So I think I'm leaving the space now. Thanks again, guys. It was great to interact with you all.
Thank you so for having here. It's been great
Okay, perfect.
interacting with you.
Perfect. Thanks.
So thank you everyone for attending the session. Please fill out the feedback form to be eligible for our giveaways. The feedback form is in the comment section. Don't forget to fill the feedback form because this is the way that we are giving out the giveaways for the session. And all the winners will be announced tomorrow on our Instagram page. So do follow GDSC IGDTUW on Instagram. So thank you everyone. I hope you all enjoyed the session. Okay, bye everyone.